welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see about memory interning in Python. Memory interning is an optimization technique where strings, small integers and boolean data types are stored in the same memory location and reused when the same value is needed again. Let's say a equal to 1. So a is the variable which is holding the value 1 in the memory location. B equal to 1. So these both will be stored in the same memory location since they have the same value so that it can be reused. So how to check if it is stored in the same memory location? We have a function id which will return the memory location of the variable. So it is yielding this value. Let's try id of b. Okay, we can see that both are having the same memory location. We have other operator to check if two variables are holding the same memory. Yes, if a is b, we are checking it is returning as true. So let's check outside this range. A equal to minus 7, b equal to minus 7. So a is b. We can see that it's false. So let's try some strings. Hello guys. So b equal to, let's take the same string, a is b. We can see that it's interned, the strings are interned and they are stored in the same location. So let's try something in the boolean data type. So true and false are the boolean data type in Python. B equal to true, a is b, true. So it is interned. So if the values are different, obviously they will be stored in the different memory location. This is about memory interning. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please share, subscribe and like this video. Thank you.